Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we from group 6 would like to present about our group project, which is BMI calculator. This is our group members: Nur Syafawati Syahira binti Muhammad Asri, Nur Fatihah binti Muhammad, Najah Fatini binti Ahmad Najib, Wan Asna Zafira binti Wan Zaini, Nur Safia binti Abdullah Zailani. Okay, we continue for the first section. Okay, the first one is overview. In Malaysia now, more and more days, there is an increasing variety of food made and created. It makes people love to eat and makes many people gain their weight if they do not exercise. This BMI calculator was created so that Malaysians are more concerned about their personal and body health. The BMI calculator will show the output information about BMI and will calculate our BMI using the weight and height that users feel.
Next slide, 1.2 State of Art. First of all, my name is Nur Syafawati Syahira binti Muhammad. My metric number is 9201347. Many companies were introduced similar product, so we come up with few ways to outperform them. First and foremost, we develop a great website and users experience of BMR calculator. By taking this action, the users know where to find what they are looking for. Does not need to wait patience, loading slowly, and the checkout process takes an age. We will regularly test and update our website so it operates as well as it possibly can do. Thus, it is very convenient for users. Next, we also provide an associated app to help customers with installation of our BMR calculator, such as Play Store, Microsoft Store, Web Store, and Google App. It is giving a lot of options to the users when it comes to the extending the functionality of our project. Thus, it is making it easy for users to calculate their BMR at any time and anywhere. Lastly, our BMR calculator did not charge any cost at all towards users. Basically, all people around the world are allowed accessing our BMR calculator to the website at any time. So we are expecting our BMR calculator may enjoy a strong response as people does not need to pay any fees.
Okay, for the objective is to measure whether a person has the correct weight for their height. So BMI is a common tool for deciding whether a person has an accurate body weight. It also measures a person's weight in relation to their height. For the second one is a screening tool that indicates whether a person is underweight or if they have a normal weight, overweight, and obesity. So if a person's BMI is outside of the health range, their health rates may increase significantly.
The methodology for this project, we use the Rapid Application Development (RAD) methodology as a Systems Development Lifecycle (SDLC). We use this SDLC because RAD is a software development methodology that focuses on quickly building a working model of the software.
My name is Wan Asna Zafira binti Wan Zaini, and my number metric is 9201364. Okay, I will present about the planning. Okay, the planning phase is the fundamental process of understanding why an information system should be built and determining how the project will go about building it. Okay, in this phase, we had decided and justify SDLC that we used in the system. Furthermore, we also identify the system requirement and users. We also state the feasibility analysis of the system. Okay, next we go to the decide and justify SDLC. For this project, we use the Rapid Application Development (RAD) methodology. It is because RAD is a software development methodology that focuses on quickly building a working model of the software. Okay. Therefore, we can deliver a system in short time and put less effort on planning tasks with high quality product. Furthermore, this methodology will provide limited time to complete the project. We built this program to assist them for being aware of their healthy body. By using this program, people can be categorized whether they can underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese, depending on what range the value falls and the value obtained from the calculation of BMI. Okay. The calculation can be done by enter the height and the weight of a person in meters and kilograms. The advantage of this program is people can use it anytime they want to. However, BMI is not going to apply to athletes and pregnant women because it is an inexact measure of body fat content and does not take under consideration muscle mass, bone density, overall body composition, and racial and sex variations. We go to the feasibility analysis. Okay, feasibility analysis guides the organization in determining whether to proceed with this project. It also identifies the important risks associated with the project that must be managed if the project is approved. So this is the table of the feasibility and their criteria whether it fulfilled or not. Strategy element is the fit between the project and business strategy. So this application 100% fulfilled the criteria in the feasibility analysis. So this project will proceed the program.
My name is Nusafia binti Abdullah Salani. My matrix number 9201367. I will explain about analysis phase. In this phase, we had analyzed that our project program needs to be ensured the user can engage with the app we make. So we provide the program to a versatile platform such as browser, Play Store and App Store. Also, it requires several programmers to catch within short time. So we divide the role to each other to work on this program. Firstly, we have Nur Shafawati as project manager. She is responsible for creating and managing the schedule as well as processes, including scope management, issue management, and risk management. Secondly, Asna Zafira and Nur Safia work as software testers, where they ensure that the software solution meets the business requirements and that it is free bugs, errors, and defects. Next, we have Nur Fatiha and Najwa Fatni. They are working as user acceptance tester. They ensure that our new software solution meets various quality assurance QA criteria. With their help, we have a better design solution for the program and matching the taste of the user. The second one, we have decide and justify the requirements gathering. We do group workshop to investigate the necessity of users. Group workshop, it is great for brainstorming, problem solving, interactive learning, and building relationship with our team's member. We gather a variety of ideas and thoughts from everyone as they had their own views and skill, so it can be done into a short time frame. The third one, we have system proposal. We combine the information system development into BMI calculator, and this program will be turned into apps and website. User can access everywhere, such as browser, App Store, and Play Store.
Okay, we continue with the design part. Okay, this is the IPO chart. Okay, the process of BMI calculator encoding can be divided into three stages, which is input, process, and output. And input, there is we enter data in comments into a recording which is number of weights in kilograms, number of heights in meter. Okay, for the process, it works on the data according to the comments, which is input of weight, input of height, and BMI calculator, which is weight over height multiplied with height. And for the output, it shows the process result on the output, which is became display normal weight if BMI is within the normal scale. Second, display underweight if BMI is below the normal scale. And then display overweight if BMI above the normal scale. And lastly, display obesity if BMI more above the normal. Okay, we continue with the pseudocode part. Okay, after we do the problem analysis, we transfer to pseudocode. You can see here a must start with start, and then number, BMI, weight, height, and then we need to display enter person's name and display enter your choice, and then we need to put insert your choice. Okay, for the choice we have two cases, case 1 and case 2, so we need to put switch your choice. Again, for the case 1, we need to display BMI calculator, helps you calculate your body mass index, which is BMI, to determine whether you are underweight, normal weight, or obese. And then we need we display formula BMI also, kg over m multiplied with m, and then we need to put grade. Okay, and then we continue with the case 2. We put display weight in kilograms, and then we need to put input weight. Okay, and then display height in meters, and then we need to put input height. Okay, for the output, BMI equal to weight over height multiplied with height. Also, okay, if BMI is less than or equal to 18.5, we need to display you are underweight, eat more. And then if BMI is less than or equal to 24.9 and above and equal to 18.5, we need to display you are in normal weight, good work. And then if BMI is less than or equal to 29.9 and more than or equal 24.9, we need to display you are overweight, eat less. And lastly, if BMI is more than or equal to 30, we need to display you are obesity, eat less, and need more exercises. And then lastly, we put the break. Okay, and lastly, it must close with an end.
My name is Najah Fatini binti Ahmad Najib and my metric number is 9201351. So I want to continue for the flowchart. Okay, this is the flowchart for our BMI calculator project. Okay, firstly I want to explain about the symbol that we use in this flowchart. The first one, we use circle in pink color for start and end, and then we use parallelogram in blue color for input, and then parallelogram in yellow color we use for output, diamond in green color we use for decision. Next, we use rectangle in orange color for process, and then we use rectangle in light gray color for break. Okay, after the system was compiled and run, the user will be asked to enter their full name, and then the system will print the user's full name and the choice menu so that the user must choose the menu. The user will be asked to enter their choice. If they choose one, the system will print the BMI information, and if the user chooses two, the system will print the BMI calculator, and the user will be asked to enter their weight in kg and their height in meter. After that, the system will process the weight and height with the formula of BMI. BMI equal to weight in kg divided with height in meter times height in meter. And if the BMI status is less than or equal to 18.5, the system will print you are underweight, eat more. If not, the system will switch to if BMI is between 18.5 until 24.9, the system will print you are in normal weight, good work. If not, the system will continue switch to if BMI 24.9 until 29.9, the system will print you are overweight, eat less. And if not, too, the system will switch to if BMI is more than or equal to 30.0, the system will print you are obesity, eat less, and need more exercise. After the system print the status of BMI, the system will ask the user want to continue. If the user want to continue, the system will start back from print menu. If not, the system will terminate.
Now we move to 2.4, implementation of coding for BMI calculator. First of all, we must include the iOS stream as declaration, otherwise we can't do in and out. Then we create a function first, because without function we can't do any activity. Void display menu or void used to display the menu only, which is the instruction for users as the output. It will print out the whole menu as the output. After the int main, there is show menu or as display menu, which it refers back to the display menu. And then starting from int main, we will declare int your choice function, float bmi wh w equal to where h equal to head function, char confirm and do. At enter your choice line, it will refer back to the int your choice. Then we do switch case. From your choice, let's say user enter 1, then it will refer to case 1, which is the information. And if the users enter 2, it will refer to case 2, which is the BMI calculation. For case 2, if users choose case 2, then they direct to please enter your weight in kilograms and please enter your head in meter. Cin it refers back to the float BMR WH that we had declared first. As for each case, they must have break first, otherwise it will continue to another line all of a sudden as for output. Here we break the whole switch statement and continue to another line. As for confirm is the character where we have declared. If the user inserts small y or capital Y, it will return back to enter your choice line. But if user inserts other than that, it will end. Also, there is do while function, which do will refer to the statement and while will refer to the condition, either we want to continue against the system or not. Now, let's view a few of users' output. Situation 1, where the users insert 1 first. Then it will give the information. Then the users press or insert Y to continue the system to choose another option, which is the calculator. And then at option 2, it will show the BMR and the advice statement. For situation 2, it's just the same with the situation 1. But here, the user choose option 2 first, and then it press Y to continue the system and choose another option, which is 1. Third situation, where the user just choose only one option, and then it ends the system. And lastly, situation 4. It's just the same with the situation 1 and situation 2. So the conclusion is the BMR calculator is very necessary to our society so that we can prove that we are really care about the health of our body. Thus, we can improve our diet and lifestyle that can make our body in the normal status, and we can avoid from getting the risky disease. So that's all from us. Thank you.